Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So very recently I have joined Atlassian as a software engineer, and from that day I've been receiving a lot of messages asking me how I used to prepare for the interviews. So I'll be answering most of your questions in very brief and in crisp way. So I've prepared a short PPT and I'll be making this video very small and I'll try to answer most of your questions. So do watch this video till the end. So first thing is resume. Try to make it as much brief as you can. Avoid unnecessary personal details. Do mention all the career history in reverse. Make sure that there are no spelling errors because people do check it. Try to keep it as much authentic as you can. Make sure whatever you write in your resume should be true. Okay. Do not mention unnecessary information or the information which you are not sure of. Try to focus on your skills and achievements and be selective of what you include. Try do read the job description every time and try to make resume according to that, whatever is mentioned in the job description. Okay. Next is coding practice. So this is definitely the first round, coding round. It will be asked and definitely it will be asked in the interviews as well. So most people do competitive programming or many people are not sure of what to do. So trust me on this. I never did competitive programming. I never did CodeChef or never did CodeForces. These are the two websites which I did during during my preparation. So first I did interview bit, and then I did lead code. So everyone knows that lead code is an ocean of questions. So I'll be soon preparing a video on how you can start doing lead code. But trust me on this. Both these sites have a nice bunch of questions and try to prepare. If you like it, do prepare from them, or otherwise you can prepare from other websites also. They're also not bad, but this is what I did. Third, all these subjects, OOPS, OS, DBMS, and computer networks are very, very, very important. Questions from these will definitely be asked in the interviews. They might ask you smallest of the questions, and then they can keep on asking follow-up questions on that, and then they can go however deep they want to. So there is no way out that you can miss on all these topics. I made a video on these subjects as well, like from where you can prepare. I'll mention the link in the description. You can watch that video also. It is also very, very short. So please make sure you do read all these subjects and try to memorize all these concepts. uh, there are no like excuses, you can say there are no excuses that you have to cram all these subjects. Definitely you have to cram computer networks or some things, but yeah, you have to do it. Make sure you do it because interviews will be asking all these questions in depth. And trust me on this, all these companies I was able to clear by doing only this much. Like I did practice from lead code and interview bit, and I memorized all the subjects: OOPS, computer networks, DBMS, OS, and these are very, very nice companies. And right now I've joined Atlassian as a software engineer. So I hope most of your doubts got clear. If not, if you have any other doubts as well, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can text me on LinkedIn. I'm trying to answer as many messages I can. And if you understood or if some things got clear, you can like the video. And if you want notifications for further updates, you can subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. I'll see you next time.